so exciting. So when I bought this FJ 3 years ago, it came with that plastic rubber bungee cord thing over the tire. And then underneath it, it had this, which was silver. And underneath this, the rim is silver. I've never been happy with the look of this. My tires have got about 45,000 miles on them now, so I'm thinking about replacing them. This is a 265. I've got 285s now. So I'm going to prepare the rim for painting. I've got a guy coming up here from Salt Lake, that refinishes tires, refinishes rims, repairs rims. I'm pretty sure that I would prefer the black look, or should I say the black tire look. I do have the what do you call it, backup camera. I think it'll look a lot better with the black tire and a 285 back here. So I'm gonna take one of the tires, it's got the best tread, and have a discount tire, put that back here, fill it all out, and give it a more rugged look. So the refinishing guy, they're going to come here to the house and do this. Now I'm ready. For those of y'all that have never been to Moab, this is that fine dusty red sand, which is like talcum powder, and it gets everywhere. Anywhere there's a place for this thing to get in, it's finer. I think it's finer than talcum powder. Anyways, let's see how this is going to look when we're done. So exciting. I like his truck. I can smell paint already. We're gonna be back in black. Oh man, look at that. It does look good. It passes the 4-foot test. If you get down real close, and there might be a couple little air bubbles or imperfections there, but it's a spare tire. It's gonna be full of Moab dust, and we don't care. All right, you ready for the unveiling? Looks good, huh? What do you think? I think it'll look better when I get rid of the white wall lettering and get the 285 on back. But hey man, that's it. Looks good. Let me know what you think. You know what those are? Give me one. See ya.